Hello everyone and welcome back to RubberStamps.com. We are so excited to be sharing another card making tutorial with you today. This one is perfect for Valentine's Day. Before we get started, be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. We have a lot of exciting projects coming up that you won't want to miss. Today we're going to be making a Valentine's Day card featuring our Tickets for Love stamp set. It's a super cute card that can double as the gift since the tickets in this card can be redeemed for things like a night out, a massage, or breakfast in bed. All the materials we are using are listed in the details below, so you can find everything you need there. And with that, let's get started. The first step is to take this adorable bear stamp that we have, which is actually from another set, but we're going to be combining it with this one for this card. And you can use whatever ink color you want, but we're going to be using this really pretty red color and then stamp it onto cardstock. The next step is to cut the bear out in a circle. We're just going to start by doing a rectangle to make it a little bit easier to cut this down into a circle shape. The next step is to cover the bear with a smaller circle of paper so that when we're stamping over the top of that, we are protecting the bear from getting any ink that we don't want onto the bear. So now we're going to be stamping our phrase around the bear. We're going to be using the same color that we used for the bear, but you could use whichever color you want if you want to have a little bit of contrast in there. That might look nice, but we're just choosing to use the same red for this stamp. Next, we're going to be stamping our tickets. We have two different styles for this, and we're going to be using white ink on blue cardstock just to give it a little bit of contrast. Next, choose a phrase that you want to put on your ticket. Obviously, we're making more than one, so you can vary the colors and the phrases for each of your tickets. Now we're going to take an envelope and we're going to glue it onto this really pretty cardstock and cut that out around the envelope so that it has a sturdy back for the card. And then the final step is going to be just putting everything together with your glue tape runner. One thing you're going to want to pay attention to when you're gluing the tickets down to the envelope is to make sure you're only using a very small amount of glue so that when your recipient wants to redeem whatever's on the ticket, they can easily remove it from the card. And here is the final card. I love how this turned out. I think it's such a good idea for Valentine's Day since the card actually doubles as a gift since they can redeem the things that are on the card. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Let us know in the comments below if you give it a try, and make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more craft content like this. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.